Hi everyone, this is Julie from Dan Tobin Buick GMC Chevrolet. I just wanted to reach out to everybody and give them a quick tutorial on how to Bluetooth up their phone in their vehicle. And we're in a Buick Envision today, but you can do this on Buick, you can do this on GMC, Chevrolet. Pretty much if you have a 2018 or newer vehicle with the GMC or Buick Intellilink system or Chevrolet Intellilink, this should be very simple to match up to. This is pretty much how all those systems are working nowadays. Okay, so just to show you, we're going to go ahead and go over to the screen and we're going to hit phone. We're going to hit pair device. Now on your phone, you're going to get into settings. You're going to hit Bluetooth. And you're going to see this little Buick Intellilink or GMC Intellilink pop up. You're going to hit that, you're going to hit pair, and then you're going to hit yes up on your screen. You're going to hit OK on your screen, and then it's going to say allow contacts and favorites to sync. We're going to hit allow, so that way it'll sync over your contacts and you'll see who's calling you in the vehicle. Now, after we've paired up, you can actually answer the phone calls through either this little button right here on the steering wheel. You can answer right here and you can hang up the call here, or to make a call as well, you can hit this same button and say call whoever you're going to call, and then this one right here to hang up. Now, one thing I do want to mention is on iPhones, to get notifications to allow you to see your text messages while you're driving, and basically the vehicle will read them to you audibly. What you want to do is hit the little blue eye and you want to turn on show notifications, and then up here you want to actually disconnect your phone once you do that. That way this new setting will take an effect, and then we'll reconnect up the phone. And if you just want to make sure that everything took okay, just hit the little text button here, and this inbox should be highlighted now. And that just means that it will alert you now when you get a text message. For any additional information that you need, you can reach out to me. My email is juliesolomon19@gmail.com, or visit us at dantobin.com. Thanks so much.